Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crack it? Why me roll? Why me crack that soldier boy? That Superman. Now why me you crack that soldier? 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 Now why?
Hey y'all, what's poppin'? It's Najee Mom. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an updated lash routine. A lot of people have asked me to make a new one because my last one, I think I filmed that like over a year ago, and they want to see like new lash styles and stuff like that, I guess. So this video is going to be really short because I'm just putting my lashes on. But before I start, this video is being sponsored by Scentbird. Scentbird is basically a perfume subscription service. You sign up for a monthly subscription and every month they'll send you a new scent. You get to choose what scent you want. They have a bunch of different scents. The ones I got this month are Burberry, my Burberry. It smells really good. And the way you use the perfume is you just slide it up and then spray. My favorite one that I got this month was the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. It basically smells like Victoria's Secret's pink collection. They're fresh and clean, like line the pink perfume. Very convenient for girls who, you know, want to go to school or work. You can just put it in your backpack, your purse, your pocket. It's very travel sized, and yeah, I love it. Last one I got was Vince Camuto Bella. This one, again, it smells more like woody. I don't really like woody scents. I like fruity scents, which is why I like the Dolce & Gabbana one, because it smells like fruit. It smells so freaking good. Use my coupon code, I'll put it right here. You can get 30% off your first month. We can get just $10. I'll put all the links to the scents that I just named in the description box so you guys can smell like me. I'm gonna use this mascara and just apply this to my lashes. This part is very simple. I don't know why people complicate it, but it's not that hard. And then my lashes are short. You don't have to remind me. I know what she said, I read them. Okay, shh. Okay, so next you want to pick the lashes that you want to use. Today I'm using these lashes from my Instagram friend's business. I'll put her Instagram and her username in the description box. Her business is called Iman Cosmetics. My name is Iman, so I love the business. You guys know I love lashes like this. I only wear big lashes because I can only wear big lashes. So, okay, here's the fun part. In my last lash video, I did tell you guys that I only use dark weave glue because one, it dries super quickly, and two, it's black, so it makes my eyes look like I already lined them, even though I didn't line them at all. So you want to take your lash and a tweezer. I just applied my lash glue with the end of like a concealer brush. I just dip it in the glue, and I usually take like too much, but it's okay because I'll use it for the next lash. And you just want to coat it. I like to put a lot on the ends just so that it sticks in my inner corner, because lashes don't like to stick right there, which is really annoying. So now I'm going to apply them. This is the very last step. Alright, it's on, it's on, it's on. And now that it's lashed onto a couple lashes, I'm going to put the end down first. I'm gonna do that with my fingers. What the heck? I'm gonna do that with my fingers because my fingers are really small. That's why it's good to not have nails on when you're applying lashes, because you can use your fingers to press it down into the like inner corner. And then I'm gonna like combine the lashes with my real lashes by pressing the tweezer down on the lash band.
Like you, gold grills and you dance like Michael. No ice, no Swiss, no typos. Look, wait, it. We just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Last verse before the award show. Eye contact on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Rushing this fire, I'm also. Young Katie dying on the floor, so she broke my heart to the core, so I guess we all gotta grow. I'm just an icon living. So don't pick a label, Miss just did it.
My bitches that bought it, they do the play. Clip if that monkey bitch wanna bang. We are not friends, little bitch, I just watch it change. My chopper say, didn't know you before, then you are not gang. Clip if that monkey bitch wanna bang. We are not friends, little bitch, I just watch it change. My chopper say, didn't know you before, then you are not gang.